Hello everyone, welcome to another brand new video, and in this video I will show you how to make fading gradient transparent effect on Photoshop. So let's open our Photoshop app, and as you can see there's an image here. But I really want to make this a fading gradient image. How can I do that? Well, it's really quick and simple. First, select your image layer and then create a mask. Look at your sidebar. Look for the gradient tool. If you can't really find it, you will find it under this paint bucket tool. Simply right click on it and then you will find it here. Select that and then on the top make sure that classic gradient is selected. And beside that, go under basic and then select the third option. Here you have to remember that black reveals and white conceals. So if I hit OK, and let's say I want to make it transparent from bottom up. So I can simply click here and drag to the point of how much gradient I want. Let's say I want this much. So if I let go, as you can see, it's faded. If you don't really see it, let me do a bigger one here. And if you look at the mask, the black part got faded on the original image. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment below and we'll be more than happy to answer it for you. And if you want to see us more on your For You page, subscribe to our channel.